Welcome to Nishiyama Onsen Keiunkan, the oldest hotel in the world. Hidden in Japan's Yamanashi mountains, this hot spring inn has been open since 705 AD, that's over 1,300 years of hospitality. The inn was founded by Fujiwara Mahito, who discovered the healing hot springs here. Since then, it's hosted samurai, nobles, and travelers for centuries. Each guest room blends traditional Japanese style, tatami floors and sliding doors, with modern comforts and private open-air baths overlooking the mountains. The onsen water still flows from the same ancient source, offering a peaceful, timeless soak. Incredibly, the hotel has stayed in the same family for 52 generations, thanks to Japan's custom of adult adoption, known as mukoyoshi. Today we're taking you inside 5 jaw-dropping celebrity homes currently on the market. Whether it's Floyd Mayweather's $48 million mansion, Cameron Diaz's farmhouse, or Adam Levine's estate, these properties redefine luxury living. Adam Levine and Bahati Prinsloo are making real estate headlines again, this time listing their stunning Montecito mansion for a jaw-dropping $65 million. Located at 700 Picacho Lane, this extraordinary estate isn't just a home, it's a private, resort-like retreat nestled on one of Montecito's most prestigious streets. Tucked away at the end of a long, gated drive, it offers unmatched privacy and panoramic 360-degree views of both the ocean and surrounding mountains. The property spans flat, meticulously landscaped grounds that open up to a massive entertainment lawn, perfect for hosting high-end events or just relaxing in style. Inside, the main residence has been completely reimagined by the renowned Clements Design, delivering top-tier, move-in-ready luxury. With 9 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, the home includes 2 guest houses, a fully equipped gym and wellness center, a tennis court, a private movie theater, and a show-stopping primary suite. There's also a catering kitchen, organic vegetable gardens, a koi pond, and even a chicken coop, bringing together elegance and laid-back California living. This farmhouse in Beverly Hills is owned by Cameron Diaz and Benji Madden. It's recently had a major price cut, now for sale for $16,475,000. The estate sits on nearly 1.7 gated acres, with 9,655 square feet of interior space. There are 7 beds and 8.5 baths. With a spacious layout, it includes multiple living areas, a chef's kitchen and a media room. Outdoor highlights include a pool with waterfalls, a separate guest house or office, and a 3-car garage. Hollywood superstar Leonardo DiCaprio is making headlines again, this time for listing his stunning Malibu beach house for a jaw-dropping $23 million, after purchasing it for $13.75 million. Known as the Encino Beach House, this property sits on one of Malibu's most exclusive stretches of coastline in a private cove called El Sol, where beachfront homes rarely hit the market. Tucked on a low bluff with direct access to one of Malibu's most coveted beaches, the home is located on a private gated street off PCH, offering both luxury and tranquility with an unbeatable oceanfront view. Inside, you'll find top-of-the-line finishes, hardwood floors throughout, soaring ceilings, and walls of glass that open to expansive patios and balconies, inviting in endless ocean breezes. Outdoors, the property is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring a fire pit with built-in seating, a hot tub, an outdoor shower, and even a sauna, all surrounded by lush, perfectly landscaped grounds. Imagine watching dolphins play in the surf right outside your window or taking in Malibu's breathtaking sunsets from your own backyard. This home offers a rare chance to experience the pinnacle of coastal living. Basketball player Anthony Davis has officially put his Los Angeles mansion on the market, and it's listed for a jaw-dropping $39.9 million. Sitting inside one of the most exclusive guard-gated communities in all of LA, the home sprawls across 3.5 acres and boasts over 17,000 square feet of living space. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a dramatic entry highlighted by a custom 35-foot glass dome ceiling. The centerpiece kitchen flows seamlessly into the family room with glass pocket doors, a fireplace, and incredible views. Upstairs, the primary suite feels like something out of a luxury resort, complete with its own spa-like bathroom straight out of the Four Seasons. This mansion is loaded with every amenity imaginable, including a large and designer lounge to relax in, a spacious and luxurious movie theater, a massive game room with bar for entertaining, and a wine cellar. The outdoor grounds are truly next level. We're talking a lit tennis court, an Olympic-sized pool, full chef's kitchen, poolside cabanas, multiple fire pits and sprawling lawns with panoramic views. There's even a custom-built kids' playhouse. At the end of the day, this isn't just a mansion, it's a trophy estate. A European-inspired masterpiece, recently redesigned to absolute perfection, and easily one of the finest homes in Los Angeles. Floyd Mayweather, the American boxing promoter, has recently listed this $48 million property in Beverly Hills, California. Covering over 15,000 square feet, there are 6 beds and 9.5 baths. This estate radiates elegance and modern design. Its open floor plan and spacious layout make it ideal for grand entertaining. The main residence features a formal living room adorned with 10 sets of French doors, a stunningly paneled library, an elegant dining area, and a gourmet kitchen. The family room, along with a cocktail bar and a showcase wine cellar, adds to the home's luxurious ambience. The primary suite serves as a serene retreat, featuring dual baths that lead to a generous terrace and opulent walk-in closets. The guest house is equipped with a state-of-the-art cinema. There's an amazing pool area with heated spa and cabana. Situated in a prime Beverly Hills location, this estate epitomizes the ultimate urban living experience. Thanks for watching. Please support our channel by liking, commenting, or subscribing. Lovers of real estate will love awesome abodes. Subscribers watch tours of amazing properties located across the globe. From the world's most expensive and luxurious real estate for sale, to designer holiday rentals and stunning celebrity houses.